Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify digital gift cards. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. This is pretty easy. What we need to do is, first of all, we need to head over to our, you can say, like, products section, and here we have multiple different options. So we're gonna head over to gift cards, and you can see we have two options: create gift card, and we have add gift card product. So let's just say you want to simply create a gift card. Click on this option. It will be directed towards the gift card code, initial value, and apparently once you do that, everything is gonna be really good onto your platform. You can share the code forward, and eventually once people get that, they will be getting some discount. So that's it for this one, and I hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.